Adobe Sign is UAB's free campus resource for electronic signature. It can help you save time and paper and streamline processes and workflows. Here are some helpful tips and best practices to get you started with Adobe Sign. When logging in to uab.edu/Adobe Sign, always use your Blazor ID at uab.edu email address, not an alias or other UAB domains. When sending documents internally, always use the recipient's Blazor ID at uab.edu email address. Adobe Sign is HIPAA compliant. A specific group is required for IT to update settings to comply with BAA and FDA guidelines. If your documents contain HIPAA, PHI, or Part 11 compliance documents, you must have a specific group created for you and/or your department. You can request one to be set up through ServiceNow. When creating a web form, you will have to set authentication preferences. For non-HIPAA PHI web forms, it is recommended to send the form from the default group and set authentication to none to avoid multiple logins by your signer. For more information about Adobe Sign, visit uab.edu/esignature.